Welcome back to our Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you a cutout text effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. First of all, go to the file and select a new document. Take the text tool and type like this. Now adjust the text like this. Then take the polygonal lasso tool and select the upper part of text like this. Add layer mask option below. Now Ctrl Z to duplicate the same layer. Press Ctrl I to invert the layer. Then move to the text like this. Take a new layer to create some shadow. Hold the Ctrl button and hit a layer mask and choose a brush tool. Now brushing on the top layer like this. Decrease the opacity value. Take eraser tool and erase unwanted shadows. Now go to adjust layer option and choose gradient. Changing the style option, increase the scale value. Again go to layer option and choose color lookup. Also choose a crisp warm look. You can also change the background color. Thanks for watching.